my dear pumpkins. Welcome to Pumpkin Trolls. Let's enter into the world of slime. And let's slime through.
Slime splash. Pumpkin Troll jumps into the biggest, silliest slime puddle ever. Oh, splash! Look at that rainbow goo flying everywhere. The slime friends cheer. Yay, squishy fun! Whoa, what's that? A giant rainbow slime slide. Pumpkin Troll climbs up, whoosh, down he goes. Faster, faster, slime sparkles shooing all around. Whee! Sticky trouble. Pumpkin Troll stepped into a sticky slime trap. Squish! He's stuck. Pop! Now he's wearing a slime hat. A glowing slime blob bounces over. Boing! Pumpkin Troll gives it a high five. Splat! Oh, it's split into baby glow slimes. And look, they're dancing.
Don't make me nervous. Careful, careful. Pumpkin Troll is crossing the wobbly slime bridge. Each step goes boing, squish, plop. Will he make it? Yeses! He made it across. Slime crown, fine creatures, gather around. And wow! They crowned Pumpkin Troll the king of Slime World. Long live the Squishy King!
Like and subscribe for more fun.